Be it breakfast or snacks, crispy cutlets are loved by all. Today, I have got for you a no-fail recipe for making delicious potato cutlets. In a heated kadhai, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add a pinch of Asafoetida or hing. Next, 1 medium finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped green chillies, 1 inch ginger grated. Saute for a minute. Next, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Red Chilli Powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Chaat Masala powder. Saute the spices for half a minute. Do note that the flame is low to medium. Time to add 5 medium-sized boiled and mashed potatoes. Add in salt and bring everything together. Finally, I am adding 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander leaves. I just love the freshness it brings to any food. The potato mixture is ready. Once the mixture cools down, add in half a cup of breadcrumbs and mix well. In case you would like to know how to make breadcrumbs at home, do let me know in the comment section below. Breadcrumbs here help with the binding. Time to shape the cutlets. I am shaping them into a flat oval shape. The cutlets are shaped. Time to coat them and fry. For the coating, I have taken here 8 tablespoons of maida or plain flour. Add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Add around half a cup of water. Bring it together. The coating slurry is ready. Firstly, dip the cutlet into the slurry we have made. Next, coat them with the breadcrumbs. All the cutlets are coated. For frying the cutlets, I have oil on heat. Let's drop in the cutlets one by one. You can also shallow fry in less oil. All the cutlets are fried and ready. Serve them hot with ketchup or maybe slide them in between slices of bread. Enjoy this, and for a change, don't worry about the calories. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.